Today I'm going to show you how to add or insert a PDF in Google Docs. We'll start with the link method. Go to Google Drive in your browser and click the plus new button in the top left. Choose File Upload from that menu. Find your PDF on your computer and select it. Drive uploads the file and shows a confirmation in the bottom right. Make sure you're uploading the actual PDF, not a shortcut or a link to it. Right-click the uploaded PDF in the file list and choose Share. In the Share dialog, look at General Access. If this PDF is going to people outside your company, click Restricted and change it to anyone with the link. Keep the role as viewer because they only need to read the PDF. I set this now before copying the link because you can't fix access from inside Google Docs. Click Copy Link, then click Done. Now open the Google Doc where you want the PDF reference. Click the exact spot where the link should sit. Paste the link with Ctrl-V or Command-V. The raw link appears as plain text. Press the Tab key on your keyboard. Google Docs turns that link into a smart chip that shows the PDF name and a small file icon. If the tab prompt doesn't show, click the link and press Tab again. The chip is live, so anyone with access can click it and open the PDF from the doc. There's also a faster route inside Google Docs. Put your cursor where the file should go, click Insert, then Smart Chips, then File. Type the PDF name in the search box, select it from the list, and the chip drops straight in. I use this version when the PDF is already in Drive because you skip the link copying. If Smart Chips doesn't appear under Insert, your doc's view is older, so use the Paste and Tab method instead. That link chip is perfect for references, but if you need the actual page visible, like a signed contract or a design sample, you want the PDF pages as images. Open a new browser tab and search for a PDF to PNG converter. Upload the PDF there, choose PNG as the output format, and download the pages. I name the files in order, like Contract Page 1, Contract Page 2, so they stay in the right sequence. For multi-page PDFs, do all pages at once because individual page uploads scattered across a document are a pain to reorder. Go back to your Google Doc and click where the image should appear. Click Insert, then Image, then Upload from Computer. Select the first converted page, hold Ctrl or Command, and select any additional pages. Click Open. Google Docs inserts the images one after another at your cursor. Press Enter between them if they land too close together. Click any image and drag a corner to resize it without distorting the page. If you need exact alignment, use the image options to wrap text or break text around each page. Now, if you need the actual text from the PDF inside your main document, don't retype it. Go back to Google Drive, right-click the same PDF, hover over Open With, and choose Google Docs. Drive creates a brand new document and converts the PDF text into editable text. It can take a moment on longer PDFs. One thing to watch, if the PDF is scanned, this conversion usually fails. Because there's no text layer for Google Docs to read, you'll get a page image instead of selectable text. If that happens, use the image method and screenshots instead. Also, Google Docs won't keep the original layout cleanly, especially around headers and footers, so expect to redo some spacing. Select the text you need from the converted document, copy it with Ctrl-C or Command-C. Open your main Google Doc, click where the text should go, and paste with Ctrl-Shift-V. That strips the converter's fonts and matches your document formatting. If you paste with Ctrl-V instead, the font comes over from the converted file, and your headings can look off. Before you finish, there are a few things people hit right after this. If you want the chip to show more than a text link, click the chip once and choose Replace with Preview. That turns it into a bigger card with a page preview and an open button. I use that when the PDF is the main thing the reader needs to open. Also, if someone opens your document and gets an access request for the PDF, the problem is the Drive permission, not the document. Right-click the file in Drive, choose Share, and set General Access to anyone with the link. That access change updates the chip instantly. If you have multiple PDFs to link, click Insert, Smart Chips, File, then click the Recent tab to pick from your drive instead of searching. If this got your PDF in, drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.